In a world where flavor is power and every sip tells a story, there exists a book unlike any other, bound in golden leather and sealed with the mark of the glass and shaker. It is said to hold the most exquisite drink recipes ever dreamed. Mocktails so enchanting, they can heal the heart, awaken the soul, and even bend the laws of time itself. But for legal purposes, those are, of course, just legends. For centuries, bartenders, alchemists, and kings alike have sought it, yet none have returned with more than whispers. Whispers of a recipe that, once read, can change the fate of nations. But now, one man, or rather one teenager, dares to follow the trail. A teenager who knows the difference between a simple sip and a legend worth chasing. They call him Indiana Jack.
What can I get you?
Lemon juice. Neat.
Would you like a lemon with that?
Yeah.
I haven't seen you around. What's your name, stranger?
Most people call me Indiana Jack.
Most people?
Well, me and a guy I know in Fresno, but it's catching on. I actually have something I think you can help me with. Do you know where this is?
Huh. That's just an urban legend.
You and I both know better.
Well, if it's true, what's in it for me?
Let's just say when I find it, I'll make you a mocktail that'll blow your mind.
Fine, you didn't hear this from me. There, deep in the jungle beyond Mount Maraschino, there's a hidden cave in the Sourlands no one's there to touch in decades. But be warned, legend says, if you're not worthy, the book doesn't just hide, it fights back. It changes people, permanently.
Well, I wouldn't worry too much. I'm not your average adventurous archaeological fedora-wearing mixologist. Keep the change.
Hey, this is plastic. I hope it covers rent.
A magical mocktail book. Interesting.
Hey, are you gonna order anything or just sit around?
I'll have a Coca-Noa.
By the way, from now on, this is a cash-only bar.
Guess I'm headed to the Sourlands.
So, the legend is true after all.
How'd you even get in here?
I've been searching for that book for years. My story dates back to 1995.
Of course it does. I've got time.
I had one of the largest bar chains in the world. For years, no one could touch us. But then, mocktails came along. Everybody wanted them, and I couldn't get them quite right. So, when I heard there was a magical mocktail book with the best mocktail recipes ever written, I knew I had to find it. Not to share, of course, but to keep for myself and make millions.
And now you think I'm just gonna hand it over? Yeah, fat chance. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
After all these years, it's finally mine!
Guess some drinks aren't meant for bitter souls.
That day, Jack discovered the book was never meant for greed, power, or control. Its pages don't burn with curses, they shine with possibility. In the wrong hands, it destroys, but in the right hands, it creates. Recipes that bring people together, flavors that turn ordinary moments into something unforgettable. The evil that sought to keep this secret is gone, and now Indiana Jack carries the gift forward, not to hoard it, but to share, because the greatest treasure isn't gold or glory, it's a glass raised among friends.